Fuel supply system. Fuel supply system constitutes of electric fuel pump, fuel pressure regulator, fuel filter, fuel distribution pipe assembly, and petrol box, and etc. Electric fuel pump EKP. To transmit fuel from fuel tank to engine and provide sufficient fuel pressure and redundant fuel. Fuel pump, as a DC-driven van pump, is put inside fuel tank and dipped into fuel, which uses fuel for radiating and lubricating. A accumulator shall supply power to electric fuel pump while fuel pump relay, which shall make electric fuel pump circulative only in case of start and engine operation. As a consequence, in case of engine suspension of operation arising from accident, fuel pump shall stop automatically. This electric fuel pump installation inside fuel tank. Fuel pressure regulator. Fuel pressure regulator is used to adjust the fuel pressure of fuel system to maintain it at a constant value of pressure difference with atmosphere pressure. Said pressure regulator is diagram type overflow valve. When system fuel pressure increases, diagram shall be propped up and the valve opens when fuel pressure inside intake surpassed combined force of spring pre-tightened spring force and air pressure inside spring chamber. Fuel flows back to fuel tank while return mouth in central part of pressure regulator and the fuel pressure goes down until valve is closed. It is installation on fuel pump assembly. Electromagnetic fuel injector. Injector shall inject fuel at required time as indicated by ECU, and thereby provide fuel to engine and atmosphere. ECU shall make injector coil alive to form magnetic force. When magnetic field force elevation is sufficient enough to overcome combined force of return spring pressure. Weight of ladle valve and friction. Ladle valve shall go up and injection process starts. In the end of injection impulse, pressure of return spring shall close ladle valve again. Fuel injector installation in fuel supply general guide. Fuel supply general guide installation on intake manifold lead to intake valve end. Check of fuel injector. Turn off fuel injector. Fuel injector's plug has 2 pins. It turns on pin 1, pin 2. Black pin for ground. Start engine. Red pin collects pin 1. Multimeter normally display about 12 volts. Red pin collects pin 2. Multimeter normally display about 0 volts. Turn off ignition switch. 2 pins collect 2 pins of fuel injector's plug respectively. Check that normal resistance of fuel injector is about 15 volts. Insert fuel injector's plug. Connect diagnostic plug. Turn on X431 power switch. Enter system 1 after another as screen shows. Press OK over self-examination for system. Choose A11 series. Choose engine. Choose United Electric M7. System display, select FIAT3 connector. Press OK. Choose System Parameter Display. Choose Main Parameter. Choose Injection Pulse. Press OK. Its value is about 4.4 milliseconds under the condition of idle. Its value will be decreased under the condition of acceleration.